guys, now we start working on Revit electrical. So how first of all we learn how we can add lighting. So first of all you can select this new file and now go to this browse option, and here you see this is our electrical default option. So you just click on this and then open this file and then select OK. So it takes some time. So now we can insert Revit file. So first of all you go to insert, then you can click on this link Revit option and you can select your file. So I have a file of project, so select this architecture file and click on OK. So here you see this is my file. Then I can select this bind link option, click on this levels and select OK. So after that click again on OK, click on OK. So then you can again select this file and simply ungroup this. So here you see this is your architecture file. So here different views are not shown. So we just simply click on view and then click on this. Here you see this is floor plan and select all these views that are shown here in lighting plane. So here in power these are shown, in lighting these are not shown. So you simply just create MEP space. So for MEP space you can click on here you see this is the space option. So you just click on this MEP space. So we just created this space and only place electrical lighting in this. So for that you go to Google and here you can Google lighting load density for office. Here you see 0.60 watt per square feet to 1 watt per square feet. So we can select this 1 watt per square feet. Here you can also define lighting load density. Here this is electrical load. So first of all you can select here office. So type of space you can select from here, and then here you go to this electrical load and you see this is you can specify this, and now you can select load density. So you can write here 1 watt per square feet electrical load density. So if you want to select that how much lights are placed here, so you can select this space and find the area of a total area of this space. So here you see this is 1107 square feet area. So as you know, area is 1107 square feet and our lighting load density is 1. So we have 1107 watt lighting required for this area. So because the lighting required for lighting load density is 1 watt per square feet, we define here 1 watt per square feet. So that's why 1107 square feet lighting. So in next step you can place lighting. For that you go to system tab and here you see this is, click on this lighting fixture and then go to this load family option. So now you can go to this your library, and from here you can select lighting, then go to MEP setting, and in MEP you can select this internal. So we have different lighting. So I select this ceiling light flat round. You can open this light. So we open this light and now we can place here. So before placement you can check different lights if you want to place other like yellow light. So these are copper lights. So parabolic scale lights, you can select anyone. So here we can place this lighting in ceiling because these are ceiling mounting. Here this in this space ceiling is not created, but we have an architect electrical. But you go to this architecture, and in architecture you can select ceiling from here and click on here this. So automatically ceiling is created. So you see here we have ceiling for this portion. So after that you again go to this option system, and here you can select lighting fixture. Again pick a plane, select pick a plane, and now you can select this plane. And after that you can go for lighting, and here you see we have different lighting. You can select this lighting, and now place light here. After placement of light you can select this light, go to edit type, and here you see apparent power is 80 watt. So here we have total load is 1107. Divide when we divide this with 80, then we have 13. So we can place 13 lights in this region. So you can also change lighting, like here you see this is lighting dwelling units, so you can define here. Similarly, if this is lamp type, you can select lamp anyone. This is your voltage, so you can here I can define 230. So you can, different countries have different voltage, so you can supply here. Number of poles you can define here. These are the diameter, box width, height. You can change anything from here. So after you can also define manufacturer, model, and description, cost, everything at this point. So after that you can copy this. So you just click on this. Here you see this is copy. You can select on this one and then place 13 lights in this region. So we can place 3 lights, 4, 5, 6, 1 here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1 at this point. So now here you see in 3D, these are lighting that we can define here, place here.